Welcome to my channel. The Bird and the Bat. A beautiful singing bird lived in a cage. When the other birds were asleep, she sang throughout the night. One night, a bat asked, "Why do you only sing at night?" The bird replied, "I am in this cage because I sang during the day." A bird catcher heard me and caught me. "So I only sang at night," the bat said. "If you had done this before, you may be free today. Your beautiful voice should be heard in the day by people who are awake. Now you disturb everyone at night." Moral: there is no use thinking of the past. Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.